Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, and now let's find the security, which should be on this personal section on the 4th position. And here we have to find the device administration section, so let's scroll down and tap on unknown sources. As you can see, all we can do here is to simply tap on this option in order to turn it on. Here we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may simply put your data and whole device at risk. So remember about that. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, sorry, that was a misclick. Let's go back. And as you can see, right now this option is active, which means that your device will be allowed, or maybe some apps will be allowed to download some content. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on this switcher, on this mark icon or on the stick icon again, and it will be turned off. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.